Hello, hello, welcome to my class. I need please that you open your notebook and start. Today is Thursday, 15th October 2020. Topic, Jingles Christmas Adventure. Performance, read pages 12 to 17. And Pedagogical Word Unit 1970. Okay, first you copy that, please. And then, please copy in your notebook the vocabulary. A small picture, Mr. and Mrs. Please. Okay, cool. Ooh, cool. Hungry when you need to eat something. Yes? Cuando cool es frío, friolento, cool. Hungry, cuando tienes hambre, necesitas comer. Okay. Beggar, beggar. Person that need help to eat or to sleep. Yes. Christmas tree. This is the Christmas, but it's a tree, but it's Christmas tree. Sleep. Sleep. And mash stick. Mash stick. Mash stick. This is. Okay? First, I need that you a small picture, please, a small picture, and in your notebook. Then I check. I check that tomorrow. Lo reviso mañana que lo hayan hecho. Okay, continue. Start to read. Okay, remember that Jingle was very sad and he walked to the nutmeg, remember? And the nutmeg have a door, and the door is the human world, and Jingle inside and go to the human world because he was very sad. Okay, continue. Jingle, okay, en Spanish. ¿Se acuerdan que Jingle, él estaba triste y fue donde Nutmeg y le dijo que él quería ir al mundo de los humanos y él le dijo que sí, pero que te acordaras, le dijo, acuérdate que en Christmas la puerta desaparece. Entonces le dice que bueno, que sí, que él va, le dice, ok, y le dice, thank you. Y ahora ya él llega a donde los humanos. Ahí vamos. Jingles walk into the human world and the candy care door closes. Okay? The candy care door closes. Close the door, open the door. Jingle walks coming now to the human, al mundo de los humanos, and the candy cane door closes. ¿Se acuerdan? Mira, look that, aquí está. Look that. Ay, excuse me, it's here. Okay, the door, this is the candy care door, close. So, this is the human world. He is surprised about that. And continue. The people, look, this is a person, woman, and people, a lot of people, in the human world aren't very friendly, not friendly. Yes? They are not friendly, not friend, no. They aren't, no eran. Very good, amigables. Miremos a ver qué le pasa a Jingle. Dice, excuse me, sir, go away. Le dice, go away. Excuse me, ma'am. Oh, shoot. You're a strange little man. Okay, man. Dice, uy, nada, eres un pequeño hombre raro. Oh, dear. Yes, oh, dear. Okay. 5 days later, Jingle is very cool. I'm very hungry. Yes, cool. I'm hungry. I need the activity of your notebook. Look, cool. I'm hungry. 5 days. 5 days. Continue. He has no money and no home, and he's very sad. Oh, sad, not happy. He sees a toy shop. The toy. This is the toy, and this is the toy shop. I love this word. I love this. Okay. And no me distraigo. Okay. He sees a toy shop and goes inside. Goes in. Y le dice, look, poor the face. Excuse me, sir. I can make beautiful toys. Please give me a job. Excuse me, sir. Excúseme, por señor. I can, eso ya lo habíamos visto, can, make, puedo hacer. I can make beautiful toys. Beautiful, hermosos. Please, aquí le dice, please, give me a job. Deme un trabajo. Give me a job. Look the monkey. Okay. Y él, le dice, get out. We don't want beggars in here. Okay. We don't want beggars. Look, like this. Remember the vocabulary. Look, is that we don't want. Él no desea como vagabundos, I feel that is that. Something that. And continue. In here. Oh, look. Poor. Continue. That night, Jingle sees a big Christmas tree. This is the Christmas tree, and big, not small, big. There are a lot of bright light and pretty decoration on the tree. Okay, look, the light and decoration. Jingles sleep under the tree. Back to the vocabulary. Here, look, Christmas tree, big Christmas tree, and sleep. Jingles sleeps under the tree. Suddenly, he hears a boy's voice. Boys. Mash sticks. Please buy me mash sticks. Okay? Go to the vocabulary. Look, this mash sticks. And back, regression, back. Okay. And he say, oh, it's like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Like this. Oh, who's that? Who's, ¿se acuerdan? ¿Quién es? Who's that? Okay, this is the activity for today. Bye. See you.